potato ivy gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the ivy gourd recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make potato ivy gourd coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 200 grams of ivy gourd cut into pieces, 20 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 2 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and 2 medium-sized potatoes peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallot. Keep on sauteing until the shallots lose their reddish color. Put in the red chilies. Put in the ivy gourd seeds. Saute. In salt to taste, mix in the salt, thoroughly mixing salt with the ingredients. Put in a spoon of mixture spice with the garam masala. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly with the rest of the ingredients. Now putting the potato pieces. Mix. Put in tomato pieces. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 250 to 300 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly, and let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 25 minutes if in the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix the rice thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in the open pan. Now the potato, ivy gourd, coconut milk rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato ivy gourd coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most nutritious of the ivy gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.